If you're looking to find your draft posts on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to locate those drafts on your mobile device, whether you're using an iPhone or another device. Let's get started. First, let's open the Facebook app on your phone. At the top of the screen, you'll see the What's on Your Mind. Tap on that to start creating your post. For example, let's type something simple like hello. Now, it doesn't really matter what you write, just something to use as an example. So, what happens if you decide to cancel the post? Just press the back button, and when prompted, select Save Draft. But where does that draft go after you've saved it? Here's how to find it. Tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Next, open your profile by clicking on your profile icon. Scroll down until you reach the post area and click on What's on Your Mind. Again, you should see the draft post you saved earlier, ready for you to continue editing or post it. This method usually works on iPhone devices, but if you're having trouble finding your draft post, simply open your notifications. You should see a notification for the draft you saved. Just tap on it, and it will take you straight to your draft. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily locate your draft posts on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have a great day and goodbye.